Learn how I made nearly 1000 USD by trading Ethereum, how I took trades and what indicator I use and how you can copy it in the future. First, let's cover first trade that we took. It was exactly this one. What was the reason why I took this trade? Because you can see here, based on open interest, we had quite significant rise in open interest and price created a range. Because of that, often after open interest rise, if price consolidates, they continue a move. That's a reason why I love trade continuation trades only after open interest stay in. You can see I took a trade at local range low, and after this impulse, such impulse, I closed the trade because there was too big volume that were traded in this candle, and often after such volumes, they could create significant pullback. And here I was right. I closed this trade, and at top I could take 300 USD. As you can see, I closed it with net 70 USD. After that, I took another trade, and this trade I took when price retested this open interest area. You can see how this open interest area became powerful support. I took this trade. To be honest, as you can see, I took this trade at 8 o'clock, 20 o'clock my time. And at midnight, I woke up and decided to close it because I feel myself bad and I wanted to take a break. And after that Saturday, I took completely off and didn't analyze any charts. And on Sunday, as you can see here, on Sunday, I saw that open interest continue adding. You can see that how one story could go on. First, open interest entered here. You can see it was a fake breakout, didn't play out. And second part of open interest entered here. From my point of view, it was continuation of this story, and I thought that big players that pushed Ethereum here also pushing it here. And because of that, I decided to take long for trade continuation. Before I tell you additional reasons why we took it, you also can get access to this strategy where I share how we take trades, how we make money, how we set stop losses, take profits. Simply below this video, there would be special link. Open it. There would be a short quiz for question, fill it, and after that write your name, email, and phone number, and my team will give you access to our scalping course. Plus, you also can join our education program when we teach face-to-face people how to trade those strategies. That's why do it right now and get all information. What was additional reason why I took a trade here? Because I love to take trades when we have open interest rise slowly and price so slowly squeeze. Main reason why this time it is the best for a trade, because you have tight stop loss. When I took a trade here, I took first part of a trade, as you can see here, 15K. My stop loss was below this swing low, only 217 USD. After that, I added additional 5K to my position when I saw that price confirm and price continue squeezing up. And after that, you can see after this first impulse, I moved my stop loss into break even, because if this breakout real, they really rarely retest it. My original take profit was at 4,120, and honestly, I could keep it. I did the mistake that I closed it here because I could have 2 times bigger take profit. And after that, price did additional consolidation, and you can see even bigger move. In the end, here I took, you can see nearly 3% of move, but price after that did nearly 8% of move. I could make here maybe 1,700, something like that. Sometimes it's definitely wise to keep your position longer. And the last trade, before I tell you the last trade, I ask you to push like, follow me, and remind to you that more information about open interest strategies, I recorded special video. I will add it into description. Highly advise you to watch. Another example, it is a situation that I traded on weekends. Also on Sunday, price were in a range, and at range high, you can see value area high. It was exactly here, value area high. I saw a start of open interest rise with clear bearish reaction. You can see open interest added, price stopped and started to squeeze down. And because of that, I decided to take short here. My mistake was that after some local drop, I decided to move my stop loss into break even. You can see I took short here. When price did drop, I moved stop loss into break even and went out running, and because of that I missed this entire move. Main reason why I share with you such mistakes that I do sometimes, because I hope in the future you'll find a way how to avoid them and do it even better than me. That's example for you why structure plus open interest is really good stuff on the crypto market, because you can see where people build positions. If you like such updates, breakdowns, write in the comments. And right now I prepared for you a video lesson about my open interest approach, where I break down 3 strategies. It is breakout, trap, and stop loss hunt. Watch them to understand how to use open interest in the future to profit yourself. Have a good day. Bye.